Hey y'all, Will Healy here, and happy Workforce Wednesday. I'm a little bit behind on my mail because I don't go into the office so much, but I just read this 30 under 30 from the SME and the SME Education Foundation. Great job, Ilene Wolff, on putting this together. I really appreciate it. The article is amazing, and the team's done just an absolutely amazing job creating really a diverse and inclusive list of members that are doing really incredible things. And I want you to know that I see it and I appreciate it. And this list is full of women and people of color and truly represent the real up and coming generations of the manufacturing workforce who bring their diverse backgrounds, educations, and experiences to really an incredibly important industry. I love that this article highlighted not only their industry work, but stories of their work-life balance and how they manage that, and also their volunteer work and how they raise others up with them. I was absolutely inspired by this thing, and amazing people doing amazing things. Manufacturing is an incredible industry, and this list gives us a glimpse of into the people that are coming, and I'm so stoked for the future. This list has stories of being shy and finding your place, volunteering and mentoring and fundraising in Star Wars, and self-educated makers and published writers and public speakers and award winners, and people from big companies and people from small companies and people at startups and nonprofits and students, successful moms, fathers, and those with military experiences and team leaders, individual contributors. There's people working in the metals and plastics and defense and cutting and 3D printing and aerospace and automotive and process and more. And I mean, these profiles are just so powerful. It's showing people running, and it's showing people hiking and dancing and weightlifting and camping and playing music and racing and just having a balance in their work. People that are determined and persevering to reach their goals, blockchain experts and additive manufacturing subject matter experts and industrial engineers, process engineers, system engineers, software engineers, equipment engineers, people from rural spots and people from big cities, people from the US and Canada too, people working in research and people working in sales and analytics and education and production roles. And really what I liked was people focusing on improving other people's lives. And I was really excited to see a fellow Purdue University grad there, boiler up, Ryan Blake. Excited for you. So to all the people that were listed in here in the 30 under 30, congratulations, and really thank you to the SME for building a representative profile of the up and coming future workforce. And I'm just really proud of this piece and proud to be a member of SME. So until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?